Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. I'm using this satin fabric. You can choose your preferred color and type of fabric that you want to use. Fold the fabric with the right sides together. Measure the size of the headband and then add 1 to 2 centimeters allowance. Connect the measured points. Then repeat same process on the other side. Using a loop turner, turn fabric right side out. Fold at least 1 centimeter to hide the raw edge. Do the same on the other side. Slide the headband into the fabric. And make sure that this is the back side of the headband. Use hot glue to secure the headband from moving out. And make sure to use enough hot glue to secure the headband and won't come out. And that's it! Scrunchie headband is ready to use. And wait, take a look at this. This is how it looks when worn. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.